Dawn of the Dead, the original 1978 George A. Romero's version. This costs about 80 bucks because this is a limited edition Blu-ray since it is no longer in production. This is like the only way you can get the original on Blu-ray, if I'm correct. So yeah, this is 1978, and this is the Anchor Bay Blu-ray. It's not rated, and it's 127 minutes. Tons of special features. Pretty good condition. I'm glad they kept it like all secure, especially for the fact that I paid quite a bit for it. So there's the disc. Get that out. Oh, there's no. This is the artwork. Classic zombie film. So this is spine. Back. And this is like basically the original poster as well as that's pretty cool. I like that, so yeah. Well, that's all I have to say, so that was just quick. I heard it's one of the best horror films ever made, or especially from one of the best 1970s films as well. So yeah, I've seen the 2004 remake, but I haven't seen this one. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.